So here is how you can fix or figure out the reason why the sound is not working in VLC on your Android phone. So let me talk about it. Let's get started. And so yeah, you can open up the VLC media player. Let's say I'm going to get inside of a video like this. Well, we have a few settings which we can tweak. Obviously, in the left portion of the display, the swipe gesture adjusts the brightness, and in the right one, it adjusts the volume, right? So just make sure it is right there, and you can bump it up to very high degrees. But as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have the 3 dots for more options, and we can definitely change some settings for it, right? So we can, for example, tap on the equalizer, and it might be disabled or enabled. And in here, if the sound doesn't work fine or something is wrong with it, make sure that it's not set to some undesirable setting. And if you don't really care about it, you can as well disable the equalizer to make sure that the sound is kept at the original thing, right? That is the first thing. But speaking of the sound and not being played, there could also be the possibility that when you click on the subtitles in the bottom left corner, you get to the subtitles as well as the audio settings, and it could be set to disable the track. And I guess this is also a likely scenario, because it might happen that the sound is simply disabled like this, and you can try to play the video like this and also bump up the sound, but you can see that with the audio disabled like this, with the audio track disabled, then you will not be able to hear it. So you have to pick the proper track like this. So yeah, that is how it works. You can as well go to the control settings in here and use the volume gesture, which I've shown you, right? And also you have some things like the volume limit, right? So it should be somewhere in here, but the point is that, yeah, right there, as you can see, we have the audio boost right here. So if you have this option enabled, it's going to allow you to set the volume to even a 200%. So if you feel like the audio isn't too loud, you can bump it up not just to 100, which would be the maximum, but you can see you can keep it going up to 200%. So that's how you can get the sound back if you feel like it's too quiet. So I hope that I was able to explain it from multiple different angles, literally all the things that crossed my mind about the audio not working inside of VLC. If I managed to help you out and fix the issue, let me know about it and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.